I hope everyone had a great weekend and is ready for Monday morning. We got a week of trading ahead of us, and I think there's going to be a lot of volatility in the market. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Josiah, and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And I'm here to help you be able to do the same. So if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, be sure and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Most importantly, hit that like button. It helps me get these videos out to more people. So let's talk about the market a little bit. We've got the FOMC meetings coming up on Wednesday, and I think pretty much everybody's at the consensus that the Fed's going to do another quarter point rate hike. However, if the Fed starts coming out and talking hawkish on Wednesday, then we could see this market take a big downward turn. Now, I've been calling for that for a couple of weeks, and the market has held up very well. However, we're right up here now at an even more critical level, right around that 4100. So we could definitely see a downturn off this, especially if the Fed comes out talking a little hawkish, getting tough with the market. We could really see this turn down. So be careful getting out there. Don't go FOMOing in. This is not a bull run. This is a bull trap. Don't get caught in it. I want you out there making money, not losing it. So let's talk about the market just a little bit this morning. We got the S&P down 0.75% in the pre-market here. Most of my watch list is in the red. We got crypto down a little bit here. In fact, crypto's down about 2.5% on the Webull here. So pretty significant downturn in crypto right now. We're still holding above that 23,000 level. However, I think if we see Bitcoin lose about 22.5, then we could see that start to get a downturn as well. If we see crypto moving down with the market, that could even accentuate this move. I would still have no problem seeing this market coming down, seeing the SPY drop to about 380 or about $3,800 on the S&P 500. I'm sorry, get my thoughts together here. But I could see the S&P 500 coming down to about 3,800, which is a pretty significant downturn from where we're at right now. Now, I'm not expecting it to do all that in a day, but we could see that by the end of this week, very possible. So I'm going to be playing it accordingly. Right now, this morning in the pre-market, everything's looking fantastic. Our SQQQ calls that we bought on Friday should do very nice at open. And our puts on Coinbase at this point is looking very nice. So both those plays that we picked up Friday should do us very well today. If you're following along, then great. I'm hoping you're out there making as much money or more than I am. So be prepared for it. And remember, take profits. Don't sit there and hold too long. When you get up, you're making good money. Take profits. No one ever went broke taking profits. I get told all the time, they said, I got stuck holding something. Well, you had the chance to take profits and you was trying to squeeze out just a little bit more. I've said it before, I'll say it again. According to the market, bears make money, bulls make money, hogs get slaughtered. You can't be too greedy. With that being said, you don't want to just cut anything loose and not be able to see its potential come through. However, we want to take profits. We want to have a game plan. I've said this before too, and I'll say it again because I believe it's one of the cornerstones to making money in the market, and that is that you have to have a plan. When you bought that stock, you bought it because it hit a price you liked. And before you pull the trigger and hit that buy button, you should also already have an idea of where you want to sell that at. Now, it doesn't mean that it couldn't blow past that and you make more, but you need to have an idea where you're going to sell it at. If you don't already know where you're going to sell at, you got no business buying the stock. Not if you're looking to trade short term. If you're buying long term, if you're dollar cost averaging in, buying for the long haul, that's a totally different game. But if you're swinging, scalping, day trading, then you need to have your entry and exit strategy already in place where you're buying at, where you're selling at, how much profit that's going to be for you. And you need to be watching that stock and seeing if you're going to get there. Maybe it's not going to quite make it. You're going to have to take a little bit less, get out. But you've got to have that plan in place so that you got something to aim for. So that's my message for you today. I'm going to be watching the market, real curious where it's going today, because I definitely think we could get that pullback. I think the market's going to start pricing in that Jerome could come out and start being tough with the market, because he's made no bones in the past that he's willing to do whatever it takes. And the way the market's priced everything in, I think it's a little euphoric right now, and they ain't got that priced in. They've been letting it run up. They've been letting what the market would call dumb money, retail traders like you and me, letting them put as much money into this market as they can before they start to pull it back. That's how they transfer wealth from you to them. We want to outsmart them. We want to do it the other way around. We want to be patient. We want to transfer wealth from them to us. That's the game plan. That's what we're going to keep doing. Keep following me. I'll teach you exactly how. If you haven't already done it, if you want to learn more about these stocks and you want to do it in a controlled environment where you don't really have anything at risk, where you're getting paid to learn, check out tradebynumbers.org. It'll be in the link below. Come over there, check out the video, see if it's something that works for you. You're going to learn a lot about stocks. You're going to learn a lot about crypto. I've had a lot of people inquire about it, but still not a lot of people take the leap. You have to take the chance. If you don't get in, you're never going to change your future. That's what I got for you today. Be blessed. Catch me this afternoon. And until then, remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.